In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a perfect square with the rectangle tool in Photoshop. Let's start by choosing the rectangle tool. You'll find it in the toolbar, typically grouped with the other shape tools. If you prefer shortcuts, press the U key to activate it instantly. If another shape is active, just select the rectangle tool from the flyout menu so you're working with the right one. With the tool selected, look up to the options bar at the top of your screen. Here, set the mode to shape. This is important because shape mode creates a vector layer which stays crisp at any size and lets you easily edit the fill and stroke later on. It also keeps your design non-destructive, meaning you can tweak it without losing quality. Now, move to your canvas and get ready to draw. Click and drag to start your rectangle, and as you drag, hold the Shift key. Holding Shift constrains the proportions, turning your rectangle into a perfect square. Keep an eye on the little width and height readouts that appear near your cursor. When those numbers match, you know you've got a true square. A quick tip, release your mouse first and then release Shift to make sure the constraint is applied cleanly. With your square in place, customize its appearance using the options bar. The fill controls the color inside the shape. Click the fill swatch to choose a solid color, gradient, or even set it to none if you want a transparent interior. The stroke controls the outline or border around your square. Click the stroke swatch to pick a color, or set it to none if you don't want an outline. You can also adjust the stroke thickness to make the border subtle or bold, and choose styles like solid or dashed if your design calls for it. If you're working with a specific palette, you can enter a hex code in the color picker to keep things consistent. For a clean, modern look, try a simple solid fill with a thin, contrasting stroke, or go borderless for a minimal aesthetic. That's all there is to it. Select the rectangle tool, set the mode to shape, hold Shift while dragging to form a perfect square, and fine-tune the fill and stroke in the options bar. With these basics, you'll be creating precise, scalable squares